guys, now we are going to discuss about chapter 5 lines and angles chapter. Here next last class we learned up to 9 questions. Next 10 questions onwards. Here one diagram is given there. Look at with the help of this diagram, write down the vertically opposite angle. That is the question. Which is the vertically opposite angle? Vertically opposite means last class we learned to represent a V shape. One is in a top means opposite direction it will come in downwards, or another is in the right side means second one is in the left side, like that. See here where they are, see 4 and 1 are vertically opposite, but 5 and 2 are not vertical. What is the reason? 5 is more, 5 the angle 5 has more width. See, these two arms have a joining part here more width than here 2 angle is this much only, that is less than the 5 angle. That's why they are not vertically opposite. Which is vertically opposite? 1 and 4 are vertical, so we can write it as answer. Are they asking you with the help of the figure write down a vertically opposite? Which are they? So angle symbol must, that also remember, angle 1 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angle. That is our A question. B question they asking write down the linear pairs. Linear pairs means last class we learned a linear pair, how to identify here angles have two non-common arms are there. They are on the opposite direction. Opposite direction means one is in the left means another is on the right side, opposite direction, and one common arm is in this example. Here see OA, B, C. OA, OB and OC. OA and OC are the two non-common arms. They are on the opposite direction, and OB is the common arms in the diagram of the linear pair in this way. So look at the diagram like that shape where we can identify. See here, first here we can identify as this line we can identify with respect to this line. This is our line both sides. That means here O means here O, the one ray, this is another ray. Left down up, two rays are there, and this is our non-common arms, which are the angles marked here and there, angle 4 and those. So we can write angle 4 and angle 5 is make an linear pair. Again here look in there, we know that another pairs are there. Which are the pairs there? Here see another, which one we can say angle 5, this one here see OA, in this way taking O to this side, left side, and here to take a right side. Left and right, they are non-common arms, and top common arms. Which are the angles marked in there? 5 and 1. So we can say angle 5 and angle 1 make a linear pair. Then next, which angle we can say? There also we can say that here in this way we can consider this one. This is our O ray, it is on the top, another it is on the downwards. This is our common ray. Which are the two angles they given there? Angle 3 and so we can write it as angle 3 and here another two angles are there. Which are they? Angle 1 plus angle 2 also become, they make an linear pair. This is here to here one common arm, this one is our second common arm, and this part is our common arm. They are make, which are the angle? Here two angles are 1 and 2, they are together only, and 3 is alone only. So angle 1 plus angle 2 and angle 3 are the linear pair. This is the linear pair. This is the 10th question. I hope you can understand that. Then one more thing is there. Here one another already we learned adjacent angle property, and linear pair property. Sum of two angles is always 180 degree. That also keep in mind. That is one property. Here angle 5 and angle 1 is there, means their sum become how much? 180 degree. Then another one, straight line property. Straight line property means any angles lies in a straight line. Sometimes 3 angle, sometimes 4 angle, like that. This is a straight line considering here how many angles are there in a straight line. Sum of that angles become how much degree? 1. That also second property. Second property is the straight line property. Straight line property says that sum of angles in a straight line become how much degree? 180. Linear pair property also says that sum of angle become how much degree? 180 degree. That also another property. Then next we go through transversal line. Transversal line means transversal line not another one is another next question like this. To another diagram is given there. Find out x value, y value, z value. Diagram is like that. Here mark it as y, there mark it as x, here z, and there mark it as. Find out the x value, y value, z value. This is the another question. They tells about find out x value, y value, z. How to find out? What are the properties knowing? Which property is suitable to in this diagram? That property we apply. Here see 55 and x. Y and z case they are vertically opposite, but angles we don't know. But here see x and 55 are vertically opposite. That's why vertically opposite angles are equal. So we can say angle x is equal to how much degree? 55 degree. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite angle. Then y and z value remain, but directly we can't do. So next what we can say here, see z and 55, what we can say? Z and 55 they make a linear pair. Linear pair means here 2, this is a non-common arm, here O means O2, this side ray represent one arm, another ray this side, then one common arm is there. The two angles are making there. Which are the two angles? 55 degree and x degree. Or otherwise here top part also same way. Here x value now anyway you can use. Here also 0 to O2 this side and O2 this side are the two non-common arms, and this ray represent as common arm. Here top part they make two angles, which are they? Y and x. X value now we got how much? 55. That's why y value become how much? Here linear pair case sum of angle become how much degree? 180 degree. That x value sent to right side 180 minus 55 subtraction doing how much coming in? That answer represent as our value. Or otherwise downwards. Here downwards also they make a linear pair. Top part also they make a linear pair. Anyone you can choose first. Anyone you can. So you can write it as angle y plus angle is equal to 180 degree. Reason they make a linear pair. Linear pair means it have two non-common arms and one common arm. Non-common arms are on the opposite direction. In that way that diagram is given. Y value we don't know. Y value only. But just before step x value we got how much? 55 degree is equal to how much? 180. So 55 plus 55 sent to opposite side comes to be minus 55. Subtraction to 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Here next 125 degree is the which value? Angle y value. Angle y value become how much? 125 degree. Angle y 125. Then how to get z value? Y and z they make how much? Which angle? They make a vertically opposite, vertically V shape top. Y is in top, Z is in the downwards. That's why Y and Z they make which property? Vertically opposite angle. So we can say angle Z is equal to angle Y. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite, vertically opposite. That's why z value become how much will get in there? Z value also become a x, y value how much? 125. Z value also become a 125. So x value okay 55, y value 125, z value become a, that also become a 125. I hope you can understand this model question. Same way, next one more question is there. Find out x value, y value, z value case type question is there. B part. Same with B part. The completed part is A part. Next B part. Two parts are B part. Another diagram they given there. Here see another diagram. In this way they given the diagram. Here two line is there. Here also line is there. There they mark it as 25 degree. They mark it as a 40 degree. Here x value. They mark it as z and y value. Our aim is to find out which value? X value, y value, z value. How we can say? Look at the diagram. What information we can say? Z and 40 are vertically open, but 25 and y not open. What is the reason? Y angle has how much width there? See, this width means they are more than a 90 degree case. Here this part represents 20 less than 90 degree. That is the more width I telling you. So we can say that y and 25 is not a vertically opposite. Then which angle represent this 40 degree, and z also represent how much degree? 40 degree. So we can write angle is angle symbol must represent 40 degree. Reason they are vertically opposite. So z value okay. Next remaining x and y. Then what we can say? Look here in this diagram. Here O means O2 left side and O2 right side. They are non-common arms. They are on the opposite direction. And O2 this side represent common arms. Then they make a linear pair. What are the angles there? Y and z are the angles making on the linear pair. That's why we can say sum of the angles in a linear pair is how much degree? 180. So we can write angle y. Which are the angles making? Y and z. Y and z is equal to 180 degree. Reason write on the bracket. Linear pair must and should. So now you learned that one. Reason must, geometry topic, reason must. Why we take like that? Reason write on the bracket. Then y place y value we don't know, but z value just before step we got 40 degree equal 180. So y value become how much? Plus 40 sent to opposite side need to become minus 40. So 180 minus 40 become how much? 40 degree there, 140 degree it will come. So y value become, so z and y okay. Then x value how to find out? X value looking at just before another one property I said, straight line property. Straight line property says the sum of the angles in the straight line become how much degree? 180. See, this is a straight line. What are the angles making that straight line? Here 40 degree angle is there, x degree angle is there, and 25 degree angle is the sum of that three angle become how much? 180. So we can write it as a next step 40 degree plus x degree plus 25 degree. Equal how much? 180. Which property we use? The straight line property. Straight line property we applied there. 40 degree, 40 plus 25 become how much? 65 degree. So 65 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. Our aim is to find out the variable x value. So 180 plus 65 sent to opposite side comes to be symbol opposite side going to, already we learned opposite side going to a symbol are change, plus value goes to opposite side comes to be minus value. 10 minus 5 become 5, 7 minus 6 become 1. So what is the answer? So x value become, angle x become how much? 100. Y value is how much? Y value is 140 degree, z value is 40 degree, x value become 150. That is the meaning of that question. I hope you can understand this. All these were 3 values adding time. Here values around one point is how much degree? 360 degree. These 3 values are adding to x value, y value, z value. Adding to how much will getting 360. Not getting means somewhere calculation mistake. Previous question also, just a question also like that. In that O point, here all angles, x value, y value, z values, all are adding time. We get how much values to represent as 360 degree. Then next we go through transversal line. Transversal line means next another word, another small topic. In lines and angle, another small topic is transversal line. What about a transversal line? Transversal line. Transversal line. Transversal line means here. Example, here, look here, transversal line means 2 lines are 2 parallel lines, not intersecting line. Parallel means that 2 lines never intersect. 2 parallel lines are cut by another straight line. This is a straight line. This straight line we call it as a transversal. Where it cutting? Cutting the first and the second line at 2 distinct. Distinct means a different point. Which are they? Here and here. Our transversal line cut our part. We can give name as A and B. A and B line cut by a P line at 2 different point. That point you can give any alphabet here. L line means we can give the intersecting point as P and Q. P and Q are the 2 distinct point. This transversal, which is a transversal line. L is the transversal line. A and B are the which type line? Parallel lines. A and B are a parallel lines. That 2 parallel lines are cutting by a third line. That third line we call it as a transversal line. For identification we represent as an alphabet L. Lines are represented by an alphabet, small letter alphabet are using for naming the lines. So the first this line name it as A, second line name it as B, and these 2 parallel lines are cut by a transversal line. That transversal line we give name as a cut where they are intersecting, cutting our A and B parallel here and here. That point we mark it as a P and Q. Then we can say it is a transversal line. Example here are the some type barbed wire here fencing are doing in this way. Sometimes fencing are doing like this way. Sometimes fencing are doing. That means 2 or 3 or 4 lines can be cut. Parallel lines can be cut by another straight line. That line we call it as a transversal. Some fencing we are doing like that. In this shape, fencings are doing. This one is the transversal line. Here in transversal line, here some angles are there. Here A angle, that marking how many angles? 4 angles. There we mark it as 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here remaining angles we mark this side B line. 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many angles means 2 rays are joining time we get an angle. See which are the 2 rays? These 2 are the 2 rays. They are joining time we get 1 angle. Here we mark 4. Here these 2 rays are joining time we get another angle. There we mark it as 1. Here also 2 rays are joining time we get another angle 2. Here also 2 rays are joining time we get another angle 3. Same way down also. These 2 rays are joining them 1 angle. These 2 rays are rays are joining them, we get another. There also this one and this one, 2 rays they join in time, another angle will get in. Here also 7 angle 7 we mark it. These are the 2 rays joining part, we mark an angle name as 7. Here in transversal line making some different types of angles. Transversal line, that means 2 or more parallel lines cut by a transversal line, they make a different type of angles. One angle name as consecutive angle. First angle name as a consecutive angle. Consecutive angle means here how many parallel lines are there? Two parallel lines. Which are they? A and B are the parallel lines. Here how many sides are there? Two sides. Which are they? This side represent left hand side, this side represent right hand side of the transverse. In the transversal line, this side represent left hand side, this side represent as right hand side. In left and right side, here see consecutive angle or consecutive means not corresponding angle. First we start with the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle means here A line considering time, top angle, left side top angle considering time, B line case also top angle consider. Here top, which left side top angle is which angle? Angle 4 is the top angle of line A, and B line B, which is the top angle on the left side, angle 8 is the corresponding. They are corresponding angles. Same way, suppose we consider A line a down angle, that which is the down angle left side 3, then a B line which is the down angle 7. That way we consider, not one is top, not which angle we consider, that same angle consider on the second line also. First line A case I consider top angle, that time top angle of B line is 8. Then next second pair I consider a down angle of the A line. Which angle? That 3. Same way B line case down angle. Which angle? That one is 7. These are the left side case. Right side case also another pair are there. Here right side part is this side. Top angle of the A line represent as angle 1. That is equal to top angle of B line right side part is angle 5. Same way A line down angle represent right side down angle is angle 2. Then B line down angle represent as these are equivalents. One is angle 1 and angle 5 are equal. Why? Because they are corresponding. Angle 2 and angle 6 are equal. Why? Because they are corresponding. In that order you take which angle case? Corresponding angle case. In corresponding angle case, top angle you consider in time, second line case also top angle. First line case bottom angle consider in time, second line case also bottom angle. Then only they become corresponding. Next word is vertical. They make a transversal line and they make a vertically opposite angle also they making. Which are the vertices? See V shape. Here see this side angle 4 is vertically opposite to angle 2. Next angle 1 is vertically opposite to which angle? Angle 3. Next in a B line case, angle 5 and angle 7 are vertically opposite. Next angle 8 and angle 6 are vertically opposite angle. These are the second type angle. Next one is alternate interior angle. Third angle name as alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle means interior means inside, exterior means outside. They make, how to identify means they make an alphabet, English alphabet Z. So look at there, where they make an alphabet English alphabet Z. See, this is an Z shape. So left side also Z shape is that, say right side part also Z shape is there. English alphabet Z shape is there. Left side case, corner of the, this is a Z shape. Corner of the Z means these are the corner. That means two rays are there, they make an angle. Here also two rays are there. The two rays are this one and this one. Which angle is corner of that Z shape? Angle 3. And second part, corner part, which angle is the marking the angle 5. So we can say which is the alternate interior angle at angle 3 and angle 5 are the alternate interior angle. Same way one more pair is there. This is our 3 and 5 are left side case. Right side case also, see, Z shape it making. Z shape this corner, which angle they make? Angle 2. And tail part corner, which angle they make? Angle 8. So angle 2 and angle 8 are the second pair alternate interior angle. Interior means they are in the inside part. Next, same way alternate exterior angle also there. Exterior angle. Next is alternate exterior angle. Exterior angle case. How to identify alternate exterior? Alternate exterior means Z shape top angles you consider. Top here, this part, this line top. Here Z shape is the top, which is angle left side angle 4, and here top of the tail, which angle they are making? 4 and 6. They are the pair angle, alternate exterior pair angle. Then next, right side alternate exterior angle means which angle we consider? Outside angle. Which are they? Angle 1 and angle 7 are the alternate exterior angle. These are the alternate. Next, co-interior angle is the co-interior angle. Co-interior angle means angles on the same side of a transversal line. We call it as a co-interior angle. Which are they? Here these are the transversal line. Same side means left side. See, left side part interior means inside. Inside, which are the angle there? Angle 3 and angle 8 are inside of that transversal. Same way right side, which are the inside angle 2 and 5 are the. So we can say co-interior angle are angle 3 and angle 8 in the left side, angle 2 and angle 5 are on the right side of the co-interior angle. Then these two numbers sum become how much? 180 degree co-interior. Here not angle not given, just 3, 4, 5 angle, but angle given as in degree. That two angles adding time always co-interior case. How much? They make a straight line means how much degree? 180 degree. Co-interior case, angles on a same side, their measurement become how much degree? 180 degree. That is the meaning of this question. Here these are the related to the transversal line. Alternative, what are the angles transversal line making? One is corresponding angle, another is second angle name as alternate interior angle, next alternate exterior angle, next is vertically opposite angle, fifth angle we name it as a co-interior angle. Then here corresponding angle means first line top angle considering time, second line also top angle consider sidewise, left side considering time, left side. Then left side bottom angle of the first line considering time, bottom angle of the second line consider. Right side case also top angle of the first line considering time, second line top angle will consider. Bottom angle considering time, second line bottom angle will consider. They are known as a corresponding angles. Then next we go through the problems. Here in that exercise some problems are there. Related to this diagrams. They are asking some problems. First problem they given as here in this way, say the corresponding angle like this way. First question, exercise that one 5.2 exercise 5.2. Diagram is given as like this. Diagram is given in like this way. Here they given us here angle 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way they given. The lines are A line and a B line. Here they mark it as a P and a Q are the lines. In the P transversal line, first question they are asking angle 1 equal angle 5. If A is parallel to angle B, angle 1 and angle 5, we call it as which angle? Angle 1 and angle 5 are a corresponding angle. Second question they are asking, angle 4 and angle 6 are equal. A and B are parallel lines and angle 4 and angle 6 are equal. What name we are giving? 4 and 6 represent as which type? They are alternate. See, alter Z shape. Alter 4 is in the corner of Z, 6 also tail corner. So angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angle. That is the second question. Third question, angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 5 is, what is this one? Just before I tell you, what is this one? They are co-interior angle. Rule says that angle 4, the sum of that two angle become how much? 1. That means co-interior angle. Sum become how much degree? Supplementary angle. 180 degree we call it as another name as a supplementary angle. These are the questions related to that exercise. Then next one more question. One more question is there. Identify the pair of corresponding angle like this way. Already you know learned that one. Then next here another question given like that in this way. P and Q are the transversal line. Another line also passing there. Here E, here F, 125 degree. Next they given as A value, B value, C and D. In this way they given that. Question they asked to find out A value, B value, C, D, E and F value. How to find out? Here which degree is given there? 125 degree. 125 are here. 125 and F or 125 and E have any relation? Yes, they make a linear pair. See, two opposite rays are there. E angle and 125 are in the inside of that. Here this is our common ray. E and 125 make an angle. So what we can say? Linear pair case, sum of angle become how much degree? 180 degree. So E angle plus 125 equal 180. Reason is linear pair. So E value become how much we getting? 125 sent to opposite side. So minus 120. 180 minus 125 become how much? 55 degree is the answer. E value become how much? 55. Then E and F, what is the relation between E and F? E and F are vertically opposite and so that's why angle E is equal to angle F. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite. Vertically opposite means angle F also, angle E is how much degree? 55 degree. That's why angle F also because how much will get in there? 55. So E and F, okay. Next A, B, C, D part is there. How to find out A value, B value, C and D value? See, what about E and A? Which property we can use? This is a transversal line. This P and P and Q are the parallel lines and this is a straight line represent a transversal line. E and A are the angles, so which angle they making in the transversal line? E and A are a corresponding angle. So we can say E angle is equal to A angle. Reason they make an correspond. Why we say that it is a corresponding angle? With respect to P line, E is the top angle. With respect to Q line, A is the top angle. Two angles top part taken and they are corresponding only. So E and A are correspond. So E value how much we have? 55. That's why A value also become how much will come in there? A value also become 55. A value 55 means A and C, what is the relation? They are vertically, so we can write A value equal angle C. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite. So A value is how much? 55. So C value also become how much? Angle C also become 55. Then remaining D and B are there. D and B, how to find out what relation between here looking time which angle they making, there they make an linear pair. See, these two arms are non-common arms. Then this ray represent common arm. Then sum of these two angle become how much degree? 180. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Reason they make a linear pair. Angle A, how much we have? Angle A is 55 degree. So angle B become how much? 55 degree set to opposite. So angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree. So how much will coming there? 125 degree. Angle B become 125 degree. So what about the relation between B and D? B and D are vertically. So B is 125. D also become how much? 125. So therefore we can say angle D is equal to angle B. What is the reason? They are vertically opposite. Angle D value how much will come in? B is 125. That's why D also become 1. All values, E value. E value come, E alphabet we got 55. F value also 55. Next A value we have 55. C value also how much? 55. B value how much? 125. D value how much? 125. All alphabets values they ask you to find. We got that values. Remaining questions we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.